Kyle Bradford from Chaparral Motorsports here with a really neat opportunity. Spend some time with Colin Edwards here. Hey, Colin, thanks for having us to the show. What are you doing here today?
Arai asked me to come hang out, bring the big gun, bring a bike, and hang out and talk to folks. You know, they do a lot for us for the boot camp, so at least I could do.
So as far as this gun here, this thing is pretty amazing. Give us a little bit of history.
About the gun or the helmet? What do you want to know? The gun. It's obviously Texas Tornado Boot Camp. We ride, we shoot, we drink a few beers at night and tell some BS stories. But the 50 cal is always the last day. Everybody gets to pull the trigger on it, and it's we got a lot more guns that we shoot, but that's just the biggest one.
That's amazing. So tell us about the helmets now.
The helmets, I used the yellow one in Laguna 05, and I think it was Australia 05, the white one. So it was good when it ran. They just wanted to bring it back out, and they hit their price point, you know, with the lid they got, and it's good. So, you know, come out here and hang out and try and represent a bit.
Perfect. Now, the bike in the background, your Texas Tornado run. So what exactly happens if we come out to the Texas Tornado?
It looks like a dirt track school. You know, a lot of people think it's not. We teach dirt track basics, but just being comfortable with a bike loose underneath you. You know, a lot of guys are scared to push that edge and find out where it is and how to kind of stay there. So with these little bikes, low risk, you can pretty much get away with murder. And if you crash, you pick it back up and go again. So just feel and confidence. And our normal camps are for the public are 4 days long, and we bring you from zero to hero in a pretty quick time.
There you go. If you're looking to update your skills or get new riding skills under your belt, and you just want to be a better rider on the bike that you're riding, no matter what genre of motorcycling it is, come out to Colin Edwards School, get a chance to ride some bikes, shoot some guns, and drink some beers. I'm Colin from Chaparral Motorsports. Until next time, take care and ride safe.